more than one compressor sounds hedonistic to you, it's time for you to think again. It's a real technique with real benefits, and it's called serial compression. With more stages of compression, you get to have a purpose for each compressor, whether it's bringing down peaks, adding character, general level control, or simply making the material sound better.
Why don't you walk with me?
Here's a raw vocal track ready for some compression. The obvious first step is to throw a compressor on there and dial in some appropriate settings. That's fine, but we can go one better. Instead, let's start again with serial compression.
Why don't you walk with me?
This time we add the compressor with one intention in mind, to scalp the topmost peaks off the waveform only, almost like a limiter or a clipper. To do this, we set fast attack and release times and high threshold and ratio controls. The compressor is working hard when it's needed, but it's not needed very often.
Why don't you walk with me? Let me fill you with sunshine.
Now for the second compressor, placed straight after the first. This one will be slower and designed to add character. A classic desk compressor could be great at this point.
Let me feel.
With slower attack and release times, a lower threshold and a gentler ratio should bring the whole vocal into line and also give it a bit of personality.
Let me fill you with sunshine. Oh, I am rich. Why don't you walk with me? Let me fill you with.
Here's what it sounds like now, and here's our original vocal.
Walk with me. Let me fill you with sunshine. Oh, I am rich. Why don't you
And we don't have to stop at 2 compressors. Here's the same vocal balanced with 4 stages of compression, ranging from very harsh but very high threshold to very slow timing and low ratio and threshold settings.
Why don't you walk with me? Let me fill you with sunshine. Oh, I am rich. Why don't you walk with me? Let me fill you with sunshine. Oh, I am rich.
Here's our original,
Why don't you walk with me? Let me
and the serial compressed version.
fill you with sunshine. Oh, I am rich. Why don't you walk with me? Let me fill you with sunshine.